Turkey is moving forward with plans to bolster its air force by acquiring fourth-generation Eurofighter Typhoon jets, complete with advanced weapons systems, including Meteor missiles. According to reports in Turkish media, sources indicate that Germany has dropped its objections to the sale, while France has also approved the inclusion of Meteor missiles. The approval process required agreement from all member nations of the joint Eurofighter consortium. British officials reportedly lobbied Paris to green-light the missile transfer, as the Meteor is produced through a multinational partnership. The development has raised concerns in Greece, though Athens has so far maintained a measured stance. Greek officials are closely monitoring the situation, but have not issued strong public objections. Greek government spokesperson, Pavlos Marinakis, declined to comment in detail on the matter, stating that it was a sensitive issue. He reiterated that Greece had significantly strengthened its defense position over the past 5 years and emphasized that all relevant ministries were in full coordination. Tensions between Athens and Ankara have long been fueled by territorial disputes and military rivalries, particularly over the Aegean Sea. Greece recently bolstered its own air force with advanced Rafale fighter jets from France, equipped with Meteor missiles, an advantage analysts say Ankara seeks to counter with its Eurofighter acquisition.